Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day number 15 of the 24 days of Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. And look at how cute! She's got one of these elves she's gifted me. It's all layered up. How cute. Love it. And I love this trim. And the buttons, they match perfectly with the paper. Day 15. Okay. I'm going to open it from the bottom. So with my decorative scissors, open it from the bottom. What do we got? Woohoo! Look at all of this goodness. Yes! Thank you, thank you. So let's check this out. This is day 15. It looks like a bunch of, what's it called? Bag toppers? Yes. Yes, it is. Woohoo! Okay, let's look at all the funness. Sorry, all the crinkling. Oh boy. Look. Oh, look at them. So pretty. Look. Oh. Okay, one at a time. One at a time. So she's got this cute reindeer with this beautiful layered flower. Happy holidays, one and all. It's so layered up. I love it. Beautiful. On hot cocoa with this reindeer. And the coffee mug. Look at how cute the straws and the kisses is. It says warm hearts, holly jolly Christmas everyone. So super layered too. Oh, and then she gave me some that I can decorate. Thank you. Yes, because I will. Oh, thanks. Another. Look at the paper with the reindeers and the bells. Oh, she got this cute little doggy. She gifted me these doggy stickers on day 1. So if you have not seen the video, I will link it here. How cute is he? Can we get a focus, please? There we go. So cute. And it's a tag type of bag topper. These puffy little puffies and the puffy hearts. I love it. Secret Santa. And then another blank one that I can decorate. Thank you for the inspiration and for the bag toppers. I will definitely be using these. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. That was day 15. Please like and subscribe and consider sharing the video for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas!